Hello and welcome to Pub Bike's Repair Your Bike tutorials. In this tutorial we will be showing you how to repair a puncture. First we need to turn the bike upside down. To take the wheel off we are going to use a ratchet, but a spanner will also work fine. Start by undoing the nuts which hold the wheel to the dropout. Loosen these enough to get the wheel off. Do this on both sides to release the wheel. Lift the wheel out and remove the chain from the rear cog. Remove the valve cap. We will be using two tyre levers like these. Insert the first lever under the tyre. Then pull down and hook it to a spoke. Insert the second lever, then pull down. Work the lever around the whole wheel to remove one side of the tyre. Now holding the wheel and tyre, pull the tyre off the rim. Remove the inner tube from the inside of the tyre. We need to check the rim has nothing inside that could cause a puncture. It's also worth checking the tyre for any thorns or glass. Grab the inner tube and locate where the puncture is. It is often easier to inflate the inner tube to find the hole. This inner tube has a small split, but it should be fixable. Start off by using sandpaper to roughen up the area of the puncture. Next, we will apply the glue around the area of the puncture. It's worth leaving it a minute to dry a little after applying. Grab the patch to repair the puncture with. Peel off the foil backing. Then apply the patch to the inner tube, making sure you press it down firmly. Once dried, carefully peel off the backing from the patch, making sure the patch is fully secured. Now we need to pump it up a little to check it has no more leaks. Undo the valve a couple of turns, then attach the pump. Inflate the inner tube and check there are no leaks. Deflate to leave a small amount of air in the inner tube, then tighten the valve. Get the wheel and tyre and reattach one side of the tyre to the rim. Make sure this is on all the way round. Now we need to locate the hole to insert the valve through. Once this is in, we can work our way around the wheel, tucking the inner tube into the tyre. Having that small bit of air in the tube makes this process easier. Use your hands to pull the tyre back onto the rim working your way round the wheel. When it gets near the end and too tight to continue by hand, you can insert the tyre lever to help pull that last bit over. It's worth checking that the tyre is secure all the way round. We can now undo the valve and pump the tyre up. These tyres should go to around 100 psi. Put the wheel back on, making sure the chain goes back on the rear cog and line it up between the brakes. Hand tighten the nuts on both sides. Then make sure the wheel is lined up centrally. Use the ratchet to fully tighten the nuts, securing the wheel to the bike. And there you have it. See you next time.